In this video, we will show you how to find IMEI number on Android smartphone. Maybe you are curious the IMEI number of your smartphone, or you are on the condition need to know your IMEI number. It's very easy how you can find the IMEI number on Android smartphone. Just open the default phone application on your smartphone. Okay, in my case, this is the application. Just open this. Then you need to press star and crash and 0 and 6 and crash. You can see this is my Android IMEI number. Okay, once again, you need to press star 0, I'm sorry, crash and 0 and no, 0 is 1 here and 6 and crash. Okay, this is my IMEI number on my Android smartphone. Okay, the last star crash 0 and 6 and crash. Okay, and that's how you can find your IMEI number easily on Android smartphone. Okay, disclaimer, maybe this is not work for you. The regulation maybe also on some countries is different. Okay, that's all tutorial how to find IMEI number on Android smartphone. And if you have any question, you can fill in the form comment. Thanks for watching.